In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete WordPress website and start over. If you're using WordPress.com and want a completely clean slate, follow along. Before we begin, be aware that deletion is permanent. Everything on the site will be removed, including posts, pages, media, users, domains, paid upgrades, and premium themes. Only proceed if you're absolutely sure. This tutorial focuses on the built-in tools on WordPress.com, so you won't need any plugins or external software. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com/sites. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. This takes you to the site's dashboard, where all of your WordPress.com sites are listed. Click Sites to make sure you're viewing that list, then select the site you want to remove. You'll know you're on the right one when its dashboard opens. From here, look for Settings in the left-hand menu and click it. Settings is where WordPress keeps the controls for the entire site. Scroll down to the section labeled Danger Zone. This area contains high-impact actions, so read carefully. Click Delete. WordPress will display a clear warning explaining that deletion is irreversible and will permanently remove all site content and related items. Take a moment to review that message so you understand exactly what will be lost. To confirm you've read it, check the acknowledgement box if you see one. Next, WordPress shows the exact site domain you're about to delete. Type that domain exactly as it appears into the confirmation field. This step prevents accidental deletions, so make sure every character matches. If you change your mind at this point, simply close the window instead of confirming. When you're confident everything is correct, click Delete Site. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. Once it's done, you should see a confirmation message stating that the site has been deleted. If you run into an error, refresh the page and try again, then confirm once more. At this point, the site and its content are gone from your account and can't be recovered. That's the full process. If your goal is to start fresh, you can now create a brand new site from the same site's page and build it from the ground up, knowing nothing from the old site will carry over. If you are managing multiple sites, repeat this process only for the ones you truly want to remove. Thanks for watching. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear, safe, and straightforward. Pause or replay any part